What's up guys, and breaking news, we have the first look of the Huawei Mate 40. As always, the leak is coming via OnLeaks, one of the best leaksters on the planet. Not only this, Huawei managed to do something that I did not expect them to do at all. Considering their issues with United States, I absolutely did not expect them to school both Apple and Samsung when it comes to the sales. We're gonna take a look at that, but first, the Mate 40 is rocking the absolute biggest camera bump of all time. This is absolutely massive. And the crazy thing about Huawei is that they've probably done something really cool, really exclusive with this camera that I can't wait to try out. As per latest news, Huawei is rumored to bring an even bigger camera sensor with 108 megapixel resolution. The latest Huawei P40 family, they're still rocking a 52 megapixel sensor, so Huawei is looking to bring even bigger megapixel count with the next flagship phone. And not just megapixels, there will be a brand new optical brilliance. According to the people working in Huawei supply chain, the Mate 40 family will be rocking a 9P lens combo. This is going to bring the best optics to the table, and eventually it's going to improve the image quality. In addition to the 108 megapixel sensor, we're going to see the ultra wide angle lens coming at 40 megapixel resolution. It is rumored that Huawei will use a brand new freeform lens that is supposed to take care of image distortion, especially that you see in ultra wide angle images, as well as the image aberration. So definitely a lot of these upgrades are coming from the upgraded lens itself. By the looks of it, you can obviously tell that this phone will be a massive camera beast. As always, there will be a periscope camera setup that could allow for 7 to 10x optical zoom without losing any quality, which is again amazing. It might even allow you to do 100x zoom. Now when it comes to the front side of the phone, it is rocking a 6.4-inch Quad HD OLED display. It's either made by LG or BOE. It's going to be rocking 90Hz refresh rate, and just like the P40 family, there is a massive punch hole system up front. It's a dual front camera. It is an overall waterfall display phone, but it's not looking that aggressive as the curves we have seen on the Huawei P40 family. That design implementation may be exclusive to the Mate 40 Pro model. In case you don't know, Huawei Mate 40 devices will be the first Android phones to rock a upcoming 5nm processor, the Kirin 1020 flagship SoC made by TSMC. At first, I thought that this will not happen because of the restriction that the US applied on TSMC in order to work with Huawei, but turns out TSMC already made a lot of chips for Huawei before the ban was implemented, so all those 5nm chips that they have already made will eventually be supplied to Huawei, and they will be inside the Huawei Mate 40 family. This means that Huawei could make the fastest and the most efficient Android chip in the world. I'm not sure if it can beat the Apple A14 chip, because I do believe that's going to be the strongest, but when it comes to the Android world, this could take the cake. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro new design. Now, in case you guys have missed the news, Huawei has managed to beat Samsung. Despite all the bans, they managed to beat Samsung and become the world's biggest smartphone seller. According to the official report of Canalys.com, Huawei has managed to beat Samsung for the first time in worldwide smartphone market in 2020. This is absolutely crazy. Because of the current situation in the world right now, both Samsung and Apple sales kind of went down, which allowed Huawei to score the win. They shipped around 55.8 million devices compared to 53.7 million of Samsung. Like I said, despite everything that happened, Huawei still managed to do what ultimately everyone predicted. Imagine if nothing happened, Huawei would have been the #1 by a long mile, but they still did it. As always, I would love to hear your thoughts on that, and let me know your thoughts on the Mate 40 device. I'm pretty sure Huawei is looking forward to bring even more innovations and other stuff with this new big camera sensor that we're looking at. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.